Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your meetup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for meetup, or just click on search, then here add meetup. It's going to show for you, sorry, you add here meet. So it's going to show for you here in this list. When you click here on meetup, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.